No, I have transferred 22.2 billion to your account. Yes, check your account now. Yes, I've done it. I've done it. I'm doing like one.
I hold
They're
on.
not transferred.
Okay, why should I attend to you again?
I have seen this problem. I will just made a call. I got 22.2 billion.
Okay, now what for you?
22.2 billion, and she got my card.
Now what? For POS.
No, I just made a call. But will she just abandon me like that?
Don't see that kind of money before.
It's not that I made now. She would have attended to me. She now left.
You go faint, oh. You go faint.
For 2.2.
22.2 billion on phone. What's happening here? Is it that when I call money, people don't decide to? Who is here?
Okay, that's 2.2 billion. I know the PFC.
So do something first before we talk about 32.2 billion.